morning, guys. Today we are going on a little road trip to San Diego, California. I'm very excited because I've never been.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram bacon.
Halfway check-in, we stopped Sedina to use the bathroom, and I also just decided to get some gas. So I'm just thinking about what we're gonna do because we are arriving a lot later than what I was initially planning for. We're gonna get there around 4:30, so I think we should just go and get something to eat, and then I think we're gonna go to the beach. I also completely forgot to officially introduce Dina to you guys. Dina is my best friend from high school. We've been best friends for, I can't do math. She's been my best friend since I've been 12. So that's 14 years. But yeah, she came to visit me and we decided we're gonna do a road trip to go to California.
I don't understand. I'm tracking your location and you're not at home.
Huh?
Identity reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand.
So we are finally here. This is the room. Let me show you guys. Cute little, yeah. Let me show you guys the view. There's like a gazebo there. There, etc. We didn't really have many options to choose from with the Airbnbs because I booked this morning. It's not what I would typically go for, but it works. So we decided we're gonna have sushi. We're going to Terry Cafe. We were looking for all you can eat option because we really like sushi, but we never found any.
Higher, higher, fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how
We don't have to wait. So it's pretty chill in here. I'm gonna show you guys. We can do a window seat. Yay! I love a window seat. This is the view. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it here. It's so pretty.
Don't shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Watching this guy is really easy. I didn't even mention to you guys, but I started using a GoPro to vlog. My first 2 vlogs were done with my phone, but I had this GoPro from my job. Like my job actually gave us GoPros for Christmas. Kind of crazy, and I didn't really know how to work it, so I just had it. I just did an unboxing and like had it in my closet. And Dina was saying to me like, girl, why are you not using your GoPro to vlog? Because vlogging on your phone is just so inconvenient because you use your phone. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to tell me how you like this quality compared to my iPhone. I mean, I am thinking of getting the DJI, you know, that camera that all the TikTokers are using, but it's for $600. And I'm just starting YouTube. I don't know if it's smart to already invest. I think I need to get into the hang of vlogging, and when I start making money, then I can invest in it.
I can tell the story.
10 out of 10 out of 10, like they run out for real. It's like what they rest everything at 10 out of 10. This actually a 10 out of 10.
Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run.
I've seen this hill in so many movies.
That's like
I've seen this ocean and like I've just seen this view so many times, like on TV, on TikTok. How am I seeing it now in real life? That's so crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You've got to be kidding me. I love my life. I really do. You're in California, Makelia.
You know me by my name, but I
We are dressed and ready to go. We are going to be going to downtown San Diego, and we're going to be finding a beach, having brunch, exploring downtown a little, and then we're going to head back home. So here's my outfit. Dina is still doing her makeup. This cute little skirt from Shein, and this top, I don't know where it's from. Ashil got it for me. But I think it pairs really well together. This was initially supposed to be my outfit for the beach last night, because imagine this outfit with the sunset, like it would eat. But we're gonna try to get some cute pictures today in it and see how it looks. So yeah, we're all packed and ready to go. Do you guys normally spread your bed when you stay at the Airbnb? I think it's kind of rude to leave the bed like unspread. I know some people don't care, but like, what if they think I'm rude?
I can tell the story of how I've overcome.
Do a taste test.
And so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow.
Cute. I love a cute brunch spot. Like, it almost makes the food taste better. We got a boat ride tomorrow. I love this weekend. I love doing things. And I was saying to you guys that Dina's my best friend. I never introduced you guys properly to her. I did it in a clip before. But yeah, I don't know if she wants to talk to you and tell you about herself. But yeah, that's my best friend. We've been best friends since I've been 12, as I was saying to you guys before. I don't know if she wants to talk to you. You'll see her in a lot of my vlogs, because I will be, yeah, I'm best friend. I don't care. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to talk to them? What do you want to say to the people?
Hi. I don't know. Ask me questions. My name is Dina. I am her best friend. I'm Jamaican as well. We have been best friends since high school. I'm an engineer. I think I can say that. That is like regular information. Yes, I do live in a different state.
But not too far from me. We're not going to disclose that. Not too far.
I don't know.
I think there's my picture that I posted last night. I'm going to probably... No, I'm not going to add it to the screen. Go follow me on Instagram. She's a baddie. It's giving music videos. Tell me not. Like... You should.
And I stand up, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in gray. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right.
Alright, we finally made it. So this is the beach. You actually go down some stairs. Hey! Want a picture on this? Oh my! Alright guys, the jacket goes. Let's do this! Good morning! We are going on a boat ride today, and I thought I'd show you my outfit. I think it's so cute. It's giving expensive. My bag is from Shein. This is a very popular bag. That's what a lot of people have. This top, I think I got it from Forever 21. It was on sale. I got a few of them. I think they're like $2. I got this skirt from Target. And my boots, I love these boots so much. I don't know if you guys are seeing. The boots are from Target. So yeah, cute. Jewelry, Shein. This is the Bottega dupes. Persons. She cute. She's so cute. We're gonna get something to eat first because we are starving. Have not decided on where that is just yet, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me, of course, and then we will see you at the boat ride as well. I'm very excited about it. I think it's gonna be cute. I think we're gonna get some cute photos. So yeah, this is how Dina looks. Dina, step back, show them. This is Dina. she's looking all cute. Like the jacket is not really a part of the outfit. It's like, we're gonna remove the jacket for the pictures, but skirt, boots, a cute little cheetah moment. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna also wear these glasses, also from Shein. Like, you cannot tell me. You cannot tell me I don't look good. It is currently 12:43. And the boat ride is gonna be at 2 p.m. but we have to check in first. I really love KFC. I know a lot of Jamaicans are like, oh my gosh, KFC in America is nasty. I don't care. I think it tastes normal. Like, the only thing is that I say get the crispy chicken when you're in America versus getting the original. The fries here are very good.
Are the tenders crispy?
I've never had the tenders before. Good luck. Yeah, she likes to order things and she has no idea what they taste like.
I don't eat at KFC, so I would not know. Like, anything I order,
you wouldn't know. Yeah. Me, I come quite not that often, but I like KFC, and I love their mac and cheese here. Jamaica does have mac and cheese, and I like their fries here are way better than Jamaican KFC fries. Like, Jamaican KFC fries, they just always seem cold and soggy. Like,
we would not love some Jamaican barbecue chicken right now.
Yeah. Jamaican barbecue chicken be busting. They don't have that here. They just have crispy and original, and then they also have like little stuff like wings, or they come up with like specials. A coleslaw. She's supposed to get fries and a coleslaw. Very annoyed. Wow. Like, they literally wasted like so much of our time. Whoa, annoyed. I'll see you guys at the boat.
I'll be serving you. I'm a praise light.
We're here. So this is what it looks like. I need to fix my hair. Like, I look at myself, I'm gonna fix my hair. They are loading. We got here literally just in time. Like, it's 5 minutes before the ride. So I am brushing.
To life, to Christ, rely on the Most High. It's nothing but love. I get it from above, and while everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you. I'll be serving you. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light. Yeah. Gave my life to Christ and He's on my side. Yeah, I don't want the pride, I want peace and life. Thereof you find it. I gotta take the narrow gate, and that's why I'll be praising you.
We just did a grand photo shoot. The pictures, I think they're gonna be cute. I haven't really looked at them as yet. I am gonna show you guys something that I got. It's giving model. It's giving. Like, are you kidding me? I'm so hot. This is it. I got that type of rich, like, I'm a husband but with a van. Yeah, like, that's the vibe. I think this is where I'm gonna close out the vlog. Editing being checking in here, guys. I had to mute this part because there was copyright music playing in my background. Thank you guys so much for spending this weekend with me and my best friend. I had so much fun. I had so much fun taking you guys along with me. Thank you for watching.
to this point, if you're here at this point with me, I appreciate you so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in seeing more vlogs like this. Thank you. Love you. Bye.